yo, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm bringing this yellow blue summer vibes. I have to say that when I started, I didn't really know what I was gonna do. I only knew that I wanted to use yellow. Like, I started having some type of love for yellow that I don't know where it's coming from, but it's like yellow is everything to me right now. If I show you my closet, it's full of yellow. Like,
full of yellow.
So do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and keep in touch with me. I'm only using Instagram right now. Now make sure I put the name of my Instagram somewhere so you can keep in touch with me. And now, if you want to know how to achieve this look, just keep on watching. I'm gonna start using this Colourpop palette called Yes Please, and the first eyeshadow that I'll be using is the Chefer eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply as a transition color. Now I'm taking this blue eyeshadow and apply it into my crease. Now I'm taking this beautiful yellow eyeshadow called French Kiss, and I'm gonna apply it on my lid. This is Buttercake eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it into my crease and make sure that it's well blended. Y'all gotta take time to blend your eyeshadows. If y'all don't, it won't be looking good, and it's worth it. Last but not least, I'm using the Mischief eyeshadow from the same palette, and I'm going to apply it into my crease as well. Going to my face, I'm going to start applying this Photofocus Face Primer by Wet n Wild, and it's used to achieve a luminous finish. Then I'm applying my favorite foundation, which is the Lancôme Teint Idole Ultra Wear in the number 470 Susie, and it's very appropriate for oily skin, which I have. So, if you do have oily skin, I really recommend this foundation to you. The concealer that I'm using is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade FAWN. I've been using this concealer forever. This is bad. Like, every time I find something, I find anything that I really like it, I'll stuck to it. Like, I'm not gonna change it. I'll stick with it. I'm gonna be very loyal to it. Like, now I feel like I'm missing out. There is a lot of stuff that I didn't try, but I'll be trying new different brands of concealers pretty soon. I ran out of liquid contour, so I decided to use this foundation to contour, and it's the Maybelline Fit Me 370 Deep Browns. And to blend the concealer, I'll be using a beauty blender, which I got from a beauty supply, and you can do that as well. Then to blend the contour, I'll be using a brush. I know I never talk about my brushes, but all my brushes from bhcosmetics, one day, hopefully, I will be talking about and give you more information. Of course, I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder as always to set up the concealer and to achieve a more natural and matte look. And to set up the contouring, I'm using this NYX Highlight Contour Pro palette. It doesn't have a lot of details to be for a specific, you know, it doesn't have like a specific details on it. It just on the back of it, it says HCPP01. I hope that helps. I don't really use a lot of blush, but I like to give it a little bit of color to my face, so I'm using this blush palette by ELF, and I'm using the lightest tone. And now I'm applying highlight, and I'm using the Is My Ray Ray bhcosmetics palette, and this one is called Radiant. This is so freaking beautiful. Like, this highlight is everything to me. I used to ignore it, but ever since I started using it, yeah, I am so in love. Now going back to my eyes, I'm using this other Colourpop palette, and for the inner corner of my lid, I'm applying Let's Do It eyeshadow. It's kind of yellow, but it's a little bit shimmer. I'm gonna switch up a little bit on Colourpop, so I'm gonna be using this bhcosmetics Weekend Festival palette. And I'm first going to apply the Ultimate eyeshadow at the bottom of my eye. But I wasn't too satisfied. You know, your sister being extra. Always, I'm always extra. And I wasn't feeling it. I wasn't feeling like it was a bomb. So I decided to add another color to it. And I chose this Trance eyeshadow. And I apply it on top of this one. This look is so bomb. Don't tell me that you disagree with me, because this look is bomb. Now I'm taking this Colourpop Créme Gel liner to do my waterline. Of course, I need my wing line, so I'm using this Kiss 24 Hours liquid eyeliner. I had improved a lot. Before, I remember I don't used to be too good at doing, you know, wing lines. But now, I'm not a pro yet, but I'm better than before. You know, practice makes better. Alright, I had to apply my eyelashes off camera, and now I'm applying a little bit of mascara. I don't use mascara that much, but this one that I'm using, it says by Pure, and it says fully charged. It doesn't have like a lot of details on it. I'm sorry about it. Next time I'll try to use a different one. Now going to my lips, I'm using a brown pencil to draw them. I always draw my lips before applying lipstick or lip gloss, and I think that there should be a must for all these melanin girls out there. Like, I think they looks way better now for real. I'm using this NYX liquid cream lipstick called Initiator, and I blend it with my fingers. And on top of it, I'm applying a bhcosmetics lip gloss called Mary. And this is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.